treat them with the respect. And I also request everybody to please maintain discipline. A warm round of applause for our honored guests. I request everybody to be kindly be seated. Jai Hind and a very good morning to everyone. I, Kirtana Bike, with the blessings of our chairman, Padma Shri recipient Dr. B.R. Shetty sir, welcome you all to the event Rajat Smaranjali organized by Vrindavan Group of Institutions. May we start this event with the spirit of unity and purpose, asking for guidance and wisdom in all our endeavors. So now, I call upon Shreya for the invocation song.
गजानना पद्मार्कम् गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तम् महागणपतिं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम्
Thank you, Shreya. Now, let me share a glimpse of the remarkable journey of Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh Sir, Param Vishis Seva Medal, Ati Vishis Seva Medal, and Vishis Seva Medal, who had been adorned with the prestigious medals for his commendable service to the nation. His contributions during the Kargil operations are truly inspiring. Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh Sir initiated several projects for the IAF, which are now bearing fruit. In 1997, he was a member of the delegation to Russia, Ukraine and Uzbekistan to select and finalize the FRA requirements for the Air Force. During the Kargil operations in May 1999, as the commanding officer of the Frontline Transport Squadron, he planned and executed the airlift of the Army and Air Force units to the war front and was awarded the Vayu Sena Medal for the gallantry. During his tenure as the commanding officer of the squadron, was adjourned the best transport squadron of the Air Force for 2 consecutive years. He also achieved the singular distinction of becoming the first pilot to land both IL-76 and AN-32 aircraft by night at Kyose, giving an enormous flip to the operational utilization of these aircraft. In the aftermath of Bhuj earthquake, he led the squadron in conducting round-the-clock relief operations, bringing succor to the victims of the earthquake. I now invite Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh Sir to deliver the opening address. Over to you, sir.
Jai Hind, everyone. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. I'm truly honored and blessed to be amidst you all this morning, primarily because this is one of those rare noble deeds that Shruti Sharma, the CEO of Vrindavan Groups of Institutes, and her mentor, Mr. Shetty and Mrs. Shetty, have taken such a wonderful initiative to honor the Veer Naris and other retired military officers who participated in the Kargil operations. And let me tell you, normally a refrain of a soldier always is that when the war is there, everybody remembers the soldier. But when the time of his needs come, the state and the people very conveniently forget him. And this has been very aptly summed up by somebody who says, war and soldier, people like adore. God and soldier, people like adore when at the brink of danger, not before. Danger past, both are requited, God is forgotten, and soldier slighted. That's what our refrain is. People who have served in the military when we come on the CB streets. Because we have one of the finest lives in the military. Before I get on with all that, let me also truly tell you why I feel proud is because this morning there are some Veer Naris amidst us who, if I was to use the word, lost their all to ensure that our hearts smile with joy, glory, and victory. But they never flinched. It's hard to imagine that post-99, when their husbands, brothers, sisters, or their fathers were lost, what must they have gone through? But they lived up to it because the nation wanted it. And this morning, each one of their husbands who was awarded the Sena Medal for Gallantry are here with us. And let me tell you all and revise their names. Srimati Savitri Devi Kolka. Could you please stand? Please give her a big hand. Thank you. Srimati Lakshmi Bharat Maske. बैठिए प्लीज, बैठिए। श्रीमती निर्मला कुलकर्णी। श्रीमती प्लोजू श्रद्धा। and Srimati Saroja. They truly deserve all the respect and honor that you all can muster. I think the nation owes them a lot. The nation truly owes them a lot. I'm delighted that I'm in the company of Brigadier Sahadev, our 1971 war hero with the Veer Chakra. He did immense for the nation. I'm also amongst my colleagues who, like me, participated in the Kargil operation, and they are Brigadier Amul Asthana, Colonel Deepak Rampal, and Rampal was awarded a Veer Chakra for the Kargil operations. Well done indeed, very proud. Captain Naveen Nagappa, who was also awarded the Sena Medal for Gallantry during the Kargil operations. And of course, the ever smiling Dr. Shruti Sharma was organized this wonderful event. One thing that the military knows very well is ultimately the wars are inevitable. Human endeavor, human greed, human thirst cannot prevent this from happening. So in the beginning of the day, I'll tell you that we always need to keep our powder dry. And I would appeal to each one of you, the NCC students and the others, that you got to take it upon yourself to be, jisko hum bolte hain, citizen yodha. You have to be the citizen soldier. You have to play your role for the nation. It's not only the military. Military will pick up arms. Military will ensure that nobody casts an evil eye on your house, on your people, or on you. But then, as citizens of this country, it is also our duty that each one of us must contribute. There's a lot more to go, so I'll conclude my opening remarks here. Perhaps I'll give you some more gyan when I'm doing the closing address. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. I now request CEO of Vrindavan Group of Institution, Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am, to address the gathering.
Good morning, one and all present here. It's a great honor for me to remember the great sacrifice of our brave men and women who sacrificed their life safeguarding the boundaries of our nation. It is 25 years now since the Kargil war, Vijay Divas, and we are so proud of our Veer shoulders and Veer Naris who has done so much for the nation. I have a very emotional relationship towards the army, and our chairman Dr. B.R. Shetty sir also. As everybody know here, when he was there, he always used to tell he wanted to join the Indian Air Force. He told Satish Pal sir as well, but he was 1 year older, he couldn't join. And when I see my cadets today, I think they're the most beautiful cadets looking in this wall, you know. And I wanted each and every student to join the NCC. Everybody can see here, the way they're standing, the way you're sitting, you see your neck posture and their neck posture. You know, NCC teach discipline. As I always mention one thing again and again, I have visited NDA 2 times, and I'm proud to say Satish Pal sir is the ex-NDA cadet. After that he joined Air Force. NDA has changed my life without any experience. And what respect I have towards the armed forces, I can't explain in word, or neither I can't explain in actions. And I am really grateful today. We have a great woman in our college. I want each and every girl to have this kind of power individually. You know, this is, I feel personally, एक औरत बहुत कुछ कर सकती है अगर वो करने पे आए. And I want you people to be very strong, and you should literally learn something from them. You know, when you feel weak, you should remember those ladies who has sacrificed their husbands. For one woman, there is nothing above than their husband. We don't know after our marriage how in-laws will be with us. Husband is everything for their wife, and father is everything for their daughter. And I am thankful to all the officers sir has already introduced, and I have a huge respect and love to Satish Pal sir. Obviously other officers also, but I know him personally. He is a real role model for me. And I pay my respect to him. I pay my respect to all the officers who all are here. Yesterday I was watching one Kargil story in YouTube. Our Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, our former Prime Minister, when he went to Lahore, so he said, दुश्मनी को खत्म करो, कोई agreement sign हुआ था, am I right, sir? And let us have a good friendship, stop this. But Pakistanis has not stopped. When they started this fighting and other things, at that time, our former Prime Minister अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने कहा था, हम शांति चाहते हैं, पूरी दुनिया को पता है, पर वो लोग नहीं माने. अब इस शांति का प्रतीक हम शक्ति से दिखाएंगे, जो हमारे भारतीय सेना ने करके दिखाया, उन सबको ढेर लगाया. और मैं ये भी बहुत गर्व से बोलना चाहूंगी, हमारे 4 परमवीर चक्र हिमाचल प्रदेश से है, और मुझे बहुत गर्व है, मैं भी हिमाचल प्रदेश की बेटी हूँ। हमारे विक्रम बत्रा, जिन पे अभी रिसेंटली एक मूवी बनी है शेरशाह, संजय कुमार जी और भी हमारे मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा, जम्मू से हमारे परमवीर चक्र और 2 वीर चक्र आज मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, जिनको देख के मुझे जोश भी आ रहा है और हिम्मत भी आ रही है। मैं यही सबको बोलना चाहूंगी। अपने आप, कल एक स्टूडेंट मेरे घर आई थी, मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगी, वो मुझे बोल रही थी कि मैम मैं बहुत अकेला फील करती हूँ, लोग क्या बोलते हैं। अरे लोग क्या बोलते हैं वो तुम क्यों सोचते हो? अगर ये भी हम सोचेंगे लोग क्या सोचते हैं तो वो क्या सोचेंगे? Am I right? So you have to be enough powerful to do your things, and this is my advice and personal experience. Girl has to dependent on herself. You have to stand on your own. Don't even depend on your parents. And we all are very proud. We are Hindustani. And मैं ये दिल से बोल रही हूँ, मैं हर जन्म में भारतीय नारी और एक लड़की में ही जन्म लेना चाहूंगी, वो भी हिंदुस्तान में। एंड मेरा आप लोगों को दिल से प्रणाम है, जिन्होंने आज अपना टाइम निकाल के हमारे पास आए। हमारे दिग्गज लोग हमारे सामने बैठे हैं, जिन्होंने कारगिल के वॉर में, 1971 के वॉर में, these are the people who have seen everything from their eyes. Sir, frankly I am telling, when I go Kashmir, I always roam 8 o'clock in, near Dal Lake. There is one Lalit Hotel next to Governor House. When I see the lights on the border, it gives me goosebumps. Whenever I go Kashmir, I always go Pulwama, जहाँ पर वो धमाका हुआ था, मैं हमेशा वहाँ पे श्रद्धांजलि दे के आती हूँ। वो मेरे दिमाग में कभी नहीं आया। हमारे चेयरमैन डॉक्टर बी.आर. शेट्टी सर ने मुझे कहा, श्रुति तू वहाँ पर है तो वहाँ क्यों नहीं जा रही है? हम वहाँ पर गए, 15 मिनट के बाद वहाँ पे फायरिंग स्टार्ट हुआ था। माई सेल्फ एंड माई सेक्रेटरी वॉज विद मी, एंड आफ्टर 3 days वी वर कमिंग बैक टू बैंगलोर. देयर इज ओनली कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट फ्रॉम हियर टू कश्मीर. सो वहाँ पर 1 घंटे का लेओवर होता है अमृतसर में. व्हेन that firing happened there, 3 boys from Sikh regiment, their age was only 20 and 21. They had firing in their leg, and I was sitting in front seat in plane. So when we do take off and landing, we got some, hit in plane. I literally holded their legs, and when they told me what happened, and I told them I was there that day. Imagine, I was in tears. And these people, what they have done for nation, nobody can do. I feel Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, they are not heroes. They are just entertainers. They are the real heroes who are serving in the nation. Whenever you go Kashmir, you see, when we fly and see the hills, see the snow. And this is my promise for NCC cadet. I will take you before December to the Kashmir. Only for NCC cadets, remaining has to join NCC. Okay? So I will not take your much time. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The significance of today's event is to rekindle the pride and valor of the soldiers who were part of Operation Vijay. The day is significant in history as it marks the victory of Indian soldiers in capturing mountain heights that were occupied by the Pakistani army on 26 July 1999. This armed conflict lasted for nearly 60 days at Kargil in Ladakh. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikita. This event is a testament to the hard work and dedication of our chairman, Padma Shri recipient Dr. B.R. Shetty sir. Though he is not with us today in person, his influence is felt throughout. To welcome is to show honor. To welcome is to establish integrity. Now, I would formally welcome Veer Naris as today's chief guest. I welcome Srimati Savitri Devi Kolkar ma'am, wife of Shaheed Shri Yashwant Kolkar, Sena Medal. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Srimati Saroja ma'am, wife of Shaheed Shri Havaldar Malayatta, Sena Medal. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Srimati Nirmala Kulkarni, ma'am, wife of Shaheed Nayak Shivabasaya Sena Medal. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Srimati Ploju Sharada, ma'am, wife of Shaheed Sri Lance Nayak Gopaya Chari Sena Medal. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Srimati Lakshmi Bharat Maske, wife of Shaheed Sri Bharat Maske Sena Medal. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Srimati Lakshmamma. I welcome Srimati Lakshmamma. We welcome you, ma'am. Moving forward, I would like to extend my warm welcome to Brigadier Sahadevan Sir, Veer Chakra. We welcome you, sir. I would also extend my warm welcome to Brigadier Amul Astana, sir. I extend my warm welcome to Brigadier Amul Astana, sir. We welcome you, sir. We are truly honored to welcome Colonel Deepak Rampal, sir, Veer Chakra. We welcome you, sir. I would like to extend heartfelt welcome to the Captain Naveen Nagappa, sir, Seva Medal. We welcome you, sir. I welcome Ms. Yamuna Srinidhi, ma'am, ex-NCC alumni, Ambassador of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. We welcome you, ma'am. We welcome the dynamic CEO of Brindavan Group of Institution, Dr. Shruti Sharma, ma'am. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome the management of Brindavan Group of Institution and I welcome you all. Next, it's time to honor the Veer Naris, the epitomes of courage and sacrifice. Let's welcome them with our utmost respect. I kindly request Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir and CEO of Brindavan Group of Institution, Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am, to kindly come on the dais and do the honors. I request Veer Nari Srimati Savitri Devi Kolkar ma'am to come on the dais. Srimati Savitri Devi Kolkar ma'am, wife of Shaheed Sri Yashwant Kolkar, Sena Medal, who attained Veer Gati on 6/7/1999 during the Operation Vijay Kargil. I request Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am and Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to felicitate our Veer Nari, Srimati Savitri Devi Kolkar. And I request Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to give her the memento as token of respect from Vrindavan Group of Institution. Thank you, Srimati Savitri Devi Kolkar ma'am. I request Veer Nari Srimati Saroja ma'am to come on the dais. Srimati Saroja, wife of Shahid Shri Havaldar Malayatta, Sena Medal, who attained Veer Gati on 2/7/1999 during the Operation Vijay Kargil. I request Shruti Sharma ma'am and Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to felicitate our Veer Nari, Srimati Saroja ma'am. I request Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to give her the memento as token of respect from Brindavan Group of Institutions. Now I request Veer Nari Srimati Nirmala Kulkarni ma'am to come on the dais. Srimati Nirmala Kulkarni, wife of Shahid Naik Shivabasaya, Sena Medal, who attended Veer Gati on 27/7/1999 during the Operation Vijay Kargil. I now request Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am and Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to felicitate our Veer Nari Srimati Nirmala Kulkarni ma'am. And I request Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to give her a memento as a token of respect from BGI. Thank you, Srimati Nirmala Kulkarni ma'am. I now request Srimati Ploju Sharada ma'am to come on the dais. Srimati Ploju Sharada ma'am, wife of Shahid Shri Lance Nayak Gopyachari, Sena Medal, who attended Veer Gati on 2/7/1999 during the Operation Vijay Kargil. I request Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am and Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir to do the honors. Thank you, Srimati Sharada ma'am. I now request Srimati Lakshmi Bharat Maske ma'am to come on the dais. Srimati Lakshmi Bharat Maske, wife of Shahid Shri Bharat Maske, Sena Medal, who attended Veer Gati on 27/1999 during the Operation Vijay Kargil. I request Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am and Air Marshal Satish Pal sir to do the honors. Thank you, Srimati Lakshmi Bharat Maske ma'am. I request all the Veer Naris to please come on the dais.
I request all the Veer Naris to come forward. As a token of appreciation and respect, our CEO of Brindan Group of Institution, Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am, is giving a check to all the Veer Naris. A big round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. A heartfelt thank you to all the Veer Naris for their immense sacrifice. Now, let's acknowledge the valor and dedication of our officers. I would like to kindly call upon Brigadier Amul Astana sir on the dais. Brigadier Amul Astana sir was the officiating officer and second in command of 1/11 Gorkha Rifles, bravest of the brave in Operation Vijay in 1999. Under Lieutenant Colonel Amul Astana, 1/11 Gorkha Rifles was the first unit to be inducted into the Operation Vijay situation on 9th May 1999. The battalion's saga of operations spans a huge area, numerous challenging ridge lines, 10 enemy posts recaptured till 26th July 1999, the very last day of Operation Vijay. He has interesting insights and anecdotes to share of these 80 continuous days of experience of close combat. He retired from Army in 2015 after 34 years in what he calls the most exciting careers in the world. Currently, he is working as the Vice President Projects with Zen Technologies Limited and doing development projects in military training systems, simulating and war gaming. Thank you, sir, for your unwavering service and leadership during Operation Vijay in 1999.
I now request Colonel Deepak Rampal sir to come on the dais. Colonel Deepak Rampal sir, Veer Chakra, is an infantry soldier with more than 35 years of glorious service to the nation. A multifaceted personality who is an avid reader and a keen sportsman. A soldier who believes in taking decisions and doing the right thing. During the Kargil War of 1999, he led his team into attack of well-entrenched Pakistan army beyond 15,000 feet in Himalayan region. For his leadership, bravery, determination and sacrifices, he was awarded the Gallantry Award of Veer Chakra on 15th August 1999 by the President of India. I request Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir. Your bravery and commitment to duty are truly commendable. Thank you, sir. Please give a big round of applause. Okay. I now request Captain Naveen Nagappa sir to come on the dais. Captain Naveen Nagappa sir, Sena Medal, after his successful completion of training at Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, joined 13th Battalion, the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles during 1999. He volunteered to participate in Kargil War. With just 6 months of service behind him, He led a team of 120 soldiers to fight the enemy at point 4875. During the same attack, he had the privilege to lead the attack along with rifleman Sanjay Kumar and Captain Vikram Batra, who were both awarded Paramveer Chakra. Captain Naveen Sir fought very courageously during the war, destroying many enemy bunkers and eliminating many enemy soldiers. Due to his bravery shown during the Kargil war, he was awarded Sena Medal for gallantry. He is also the recipient of Kannada Rajyotsava Award 2021, which is the first in the defense category. Your courage and valor during the Kargil war are an inspiration to us all. Thank you, sir.
A big round of applause for our gallant officers. Now let me give you a brief for another hero, Brigadier Sadevan Sir Veer Chakra. Brigadier P.V. Sadevan, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Veer Chakra Vishisht Seva Medal has the rare distinction of being decorated at each stage of command for courage and leadership. As a Hang Company commander of 16 Madras, he was awarded Veer Chakra in Battle of Basanta during 1971 Indo-Pak War. He had commanded a battalion deployed in Mon district, Nagaland, bordering Burma, and was awarded Vishisht Seva Medal for successful operations against Naga undergrounds in 1983. As commander of brigade in the high altitude area of Pir Panchal Ranges in Jammu and Kashmir, he was awarded Ati Vishisht Seva Medal in 1993 for planning and conduct of successful operations in neutralizing a large number of terrorists. He had successfully commanded a unit in northern Japan during Operation Pavan and later the prestigious counter-terrorist force, National Security Guard Training Black Cat Commando. In later years, he headed the premier training institution of Border Security Force in Hazaribagh and Bangalore. I now request Brigadier Sadevan Sir Veer Chakra to address the gathering. I request Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am and A Marshal Satish Singh sir to do the felicitation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I request Shruti Sharma, ma'am, and Satish Pal Singh, sir, to take over. Seat. I now request Brigadier Sadevan, sir, Veer Chakra to address the gathering.
Thank you. Today, seeing the young NCC cadets from 81 years, I suddenly feel like being 21. Because I was an NCC cadet. I was an NCC cadet for 7 years, 3 years in the high school and 4 years in the college, and I was the under officer. Today, we are here to pay tributes to the Kargil heroes. I just remembered when the war was in progress, the chief of the army staff then, General Malik, gave a statement. He says, we will fight with whatever we have. You may remember that. There was shortage of specialized equipment, weapon, etc. But this shortage has been made up by the courage, guts, and sacrifices of our young officers and Jawans. You've seen them here. Mr. Arpan, while invite me, asked me share some thoughts with you. Somewhere in the early 80s, while I was in Nagaland, there was a religious congregation and I was to speak on existence of God. So, okay, right. At the end of it, the senior most elderly person there asked me, "Sir, what is your religion?" So I just said, "Army." So he didn't understand what does it mean. So I explained what is my religion, and I'll tell you what it was. What did I explain to him? 1964, after the training in Indian Military Academy, commissioned as a young second lieutenant, 1 star in the shoulder, I joined the unit. The unit was in Siang Subansiri area of NIFA. NIFA is now, that is, olden time it was NIFA, Northeast Frontier Agency. Now it is Arunachal Pradesh. In the unit I found, I have a typical village background. I belong to Kerala, just across Coorg. If you drive down towards the sea, I am there in about an hour and a half. From the village and the academy, then suddenly to the unit, and there is a regular Mandir parade every Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. We didn't have a pujari. A young Nayak from Andhra was doing the pujari's job. He was assisted by a Sipahi. The Sipahi is a Muslim from Kerala. At the end of the puja, there's an arti, there's in a plate, there is camphor, agarbatti, chandan, flower, etc., etc., and then you do this. The arti is lit by the Muslim boy who was the temple assistant. It is given at the end to the commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Alexander, who was a Christian. God bless, he is no more. He was killed in 71 war. And after he finished this, he hands it over to the battalion second in command, Major Jaspal Singh, a Sardar. Gentlemen, that is the religion I follow. That's the religion I learned, and that's the religion I call it in the army, and that's the religion most of us follow. And we don't call our temple as a temple, we call it Sarva Dharmasthal. Whether it is Krishna Jayanti, whether it is Christmas, whether it is Eid, whether it is Baisakhi, everything is done there. That is the culture we have developed. And I would request you think about this. The next incident I want to tell you is, I got married. Sorry, I keep telling forgive me. I'm sharing my experience, so I comes quite often. I got married in 1971. April, I joined the unit with my wife. We were in Hyderabad, Secunderabad. The war clouds were on, and in September we were told that dispose of your families, we are all moving out. Roughly about 25,000 troops under a Major General, we moved to the western sector. Now, when we moved, my wife was in the family way. So was my next immediate senior, Major R.P. Sharma. The two ladies were just in the family way when we moved. At the end of the war, when things got stabilized, we were allowed to go on leave. I was very lucky, go to Kerala, meet my newborn baby daughter and my wife. Major Sharma was one of the 137 people of my unit who got killed and wounded. So he was no more. His wife gave birth to a child 3 months after his death. So I always felt that the biggest award for a soldier is not all this medal, but to be alive, to be able to go home and meet his wife and children. I've been in touch with Mrs. Sharma. She had a son in the second child. She brought up the son, became a doctor, and unfortunately this lady died just about 6 months ago. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, today we are here to pay tributes to the gallant men and to remember that you have the freedom, you have the fun and frolic, but this has been earned by some people who regularly endure hardship. They face danger all the time, and many of them pass out without even knowing us. I was looking forward today to see Mrs. Hanumandappa. Hanumandappa is from my regiment. He was under snow for 35 feet under the snow for 6 days. He is from Karnataka. Anyway, I want to once again thank the organizers of, it's one of the best things that I have seen to remember the sacrifices made by these people. So I end by saying, when you all go out, and if you happen to meet a serving soldier or a veteran or a widow or a Veer Nari, give a smile to them. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your experience with us. Moving on to the artistic realm, we have the privilege of witnessing the mesmerizing performance of Yamuna Srinidhi ma'am, who is an internationally acclaimed classical dancer, popular South Indian television and movie actor, philanthropist, motivational speaker, NCC alumni, and Karnataka State Executive Committee member. She is a Bharatanatyam dancer who has given over 1,000 performances across India and USA and has taught classical dance to over 1,500 students. Yamuna ma'am belonged to 3 Karnataka Naval Unit, Mysore. She did her Republic Day camp in 1992. The team, which won the Rashtrapati banner for Karnataka and Goa contingent. With a work experience in various fields and countries, high-profile careers, and self-made accomplishments, she is frequently invited to give motivational speeches to students at educational institutions, NCC cadets, government students in rural areas, and other staff. Now, I would like to call upon Yamuna Srinidhi ma'am to speak a few words and mesmerize us with her performance. Let's give her a warm round of applause, everyone.
Jai Hind! Honorable Air Marshal S.P. Singh ji, our esteemed Indian Armed Forces personnel, Pujya Veer Naris, Vrindavan Institution's administrative team, ANOs, dear students, and my adorable NCC cadets. आज मैं बहुत उत्साहित और भावुक भी हूँ, इसलिए कि मैं बचपन से लेकर आज तक जिनको बहुत मानते आई हूँ, इन लोगों को कृतज्ञता समर्पित करने के लिए हर एक मौका ढूंढती रहती हूँ। ये मंच मेरे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। वीर नारी से हमारी इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस की पर्सनल जो हमारे लिए इतना कुछ कुर्बान किया है, ये मौका मेरे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू ऑल। मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, फिर भी मैं बहुत कोशिश करके हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि एक फौज इवेंट में आना और हिंदी में नहीं बात करना, वो कुछ कनेक्शन मिस हो जाता है। सो मैं टिपिकल साउथ इंडियन हूँ, हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, फिर भी कोशिश बहुत प्रैक्टिस करके आई हूँ। सो थैंक यू सर। बीच बीच में थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स हो जाता है, तो थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लीजिए। यदि हम आज निर्भय से और स्वतंत्रता से जी रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ हमारी इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस के वजह से ही है। अपनी साहस, बहादुरी और निस्वार्थता से हमारी बाहरी आक्रमण और आंतरिक विकारणों से हमारी मातृभूमि को रक्षा करते आ रहे हैं। हम बचपन से लेके देखते आ रहे हैं, टेलीविजन पे देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर में सुन रहे हैं, जो भी आंतरिक कठिनाई समय आ जाए कि भूकंप हो या फ्लडिंग हो जाए या एक फैक्ट्री में पॉइजनस गैस निकले या एक बच्चा वेल में गिरे, बुलाया जाता है इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस को, क्योंकि इस दुनिया में ऐसे कोई भी काम नहीं है वो जो मुश्किल है हमारे सोल्जर्स के लिए। वो चुपचाप आते हैं, आपने देखे होंगे, चुपचाप आते हैं, चुपचाप काम करके चुपचाप उधर से निकल जाते हैं। हमारे अभी हम भी है, एक छोटा मोटा काम करते तो सोशल मीडिया में सब कुछ आ जाता है, मगर हमारे सैनिकों ने सिर्फ मातृभूमि को रक्षा करने के लिए सब कुछ करते हैं और चुपचाप उधर से चले जाते हैं। मुझे एनसीसी के वजह से इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस की इंट्रोडक्शन पहली बार हुआ था। तब से मैं हमेशा पूछते आती थी मैं हमारे ऑफिसर्स के, ये निस्वार्थ मनोभाव आपको कैसे आती है? वो मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ आंसर से। वो बोलते थे ये हमारा ड्यूटी है। ड्यूटी हम भी करते हैं, हम सब प्रोफेशनल्स है, ये नहीं तो एक नहीं तो वो और एक प्रोफेशनल काम पे है, हम भी श्रद्धा से काम करते हैं। मगर फर्क इतना है कि हमारी श्रद्धा जो भी है, कमिटमेंट जो भी है, मगर हम हमारी जान को दांव पे लगाकर कुछ ड्यूटी नहीं करते, वो करते हैं सिर्फ हमारी सैनिक। अगर आप ये सोच सकते हो हमारे लिए, आपके लिए, अगर कोई किसी ने जान दे सकता है, नॉट माई चिल्ड्रन, नॉट माई पेरेंट्स, कोई नहीं, सिर्फ एक सैनिक है। हम उनको जानते नहीं है, सिर्फ वो इतनी ईमानदारी से, निस्वार्थता से हमारी रक्षा करते हैं। जब भी हम माँ भारत माता की नाम लेते हैं या हमारी ध्वज को देखते हैं, हम उसके साथ में हमारे मन में आता है सैनिक, सैनिक की निस्वार्थ मनोभाव। मैंने ये पिछले 5-6 साल से हमारी सैनिकों को कृतज्ञता समर्पित करने के लिए एक स्पेशल कोरियोग्राफी किया है, सैनिकों को नमन। मैंने ये अमृतसर में, चंडीगढ़ में, दिल्ली में और दक्षिण भारत एरिया में हमारी पैराशूट रेजिमेंट ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में बहुत बार ये परफॉर्म कर चुकी हूँ। आज भी इसका एक शॉर्ट वर्जन इधर परफॉर्म करने जा रही हूँ। आई होप यू ऑल लाइक इट। थैंक यू सो मच। ये सिर्फ एक कोशिश है हमारी कृतज्ञता समर्पित करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। गुरूर ब्रह्मा गुरूर विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता मेला,
वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दीवानी वो खेल रहे थे होली। जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली। थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी। सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला हर वीर था भारतवासी। जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा। फिर गिर गए होश गवा के, जब अंत समय आया तो जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों। अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए कही कहानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Yamuna ma'am, for gracing us with your talent and performance, which truly touched our hearts. I request Yamuna ma'am to kindly be seated here on the dais. I kindly request CEO Dr. Shruti Sharma ma'am, along with Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh sir, to felicitate Yamuna ma'am for the mesmerizing performance. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I now kindly request Professor Dr. A.V. Srinivasan, sir, to come on the dais. Along with CEO of Brindavan Group of Institution, Dr. Shruti Sharma, ma'am, I request Dr. A.N. Srinivasan, sir, to kindly felicitate Air Marshal Satish Pal Singh, sir, PVSM, AVSM, and VSM. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I kindly request ma'am and sir to kindly be seated. I now request Dr. A.N. Srinivasan, sir, Swamiji, to speak a few words as he has given token of gifts to the Veer Naris and Kargil heroes. Over to you, sir.
जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय. It's a privilege today to be on this dais to address on this Kargil 25th anniversary. भारत में पैदा होने के नाते मैं भी यामिनी जी की तरह एक ही बात कहूँगा कि हिंदी में बोलना बहुत ही अच्छा है. हमने वीर जवानों को तो देखा है, हमारे सामने ही है. इन लोगों ने अपना पूरा जीवन को हमारी भारत देश की रक्षा करने के लिए अर्पित कर दिया. मगर इनसे भी बढ़कर किसी ने अपने जीवन को अर्पित किया है तो वो माताएं हैं. कितनी बार उन्होंने अपने दिल को पत्थर बना के अपने बच्चों को या पति को, अपने भाई को बलिदान के लिए भेजा है. आज हम सुरक्षित हैं उनकी वजह से. और ये कहावत भी है, कोई इंसान यानी कि आदमी वो आगे बढ़ा है, उसके पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होती है. वो चाहे पहली माँ हो या बहन हो या अर्धांगिनी हो. तो ऐसी माँओं का आज जो इंस्टीट्यूशन वृंदावन, आपको एक छोटी सी बात बताऊंगा, ये वृंदावन का ये कितनी अच्छी नाम है. धर्म को संस्थापना करने के लिए कृष्ण भगवान वृंदावन में जन्म लिए और आए कुरुक्षेत्र की ओर और धर्म को संस्थापना किया. तो वो भी एक माँ थी, दो माँ थी, एक यशोदा और एक देवकी, जिसने जन्म दिया और धर्म को संस्थापना करने के लिए अपने बच्चे को यशोदा के हाथ में दे दिया. और वो ही माता थी जो कृष्ण को आगे बढ़ाकर पांडवों की रक्षा करने के लिए भेज दिया. तो उसी प्रकार धर्म स्थापना करना है तो ऐसे वीर माता जो हमारे साथ है, चाहे अर्धांगिनी के रूप में हो, बहन के रूप में हो, कुछ भी हो, वो माँ है पहले. उन माँओं को हमेशा दिल में रखना है और उन्हीं की वजह से ही आज जो कुछ भी हमें प्राप्त हुआ है तो उसके लिए हम परिपूर्ण आभार है. मैं भी चाहता था ऐसे डिफेंस में जाऊं, मगर उसके लिए तो थोड़ा अक्ल होनी चाहिए ना. मैथ्स में बहुत वीक था, मगर मेरी माँ ने एक प्रयास करवाए मेरे से. एक वक्त ऐसे भी आएगा कि ऐसे वीर लोगों को तुम सेवा करोगे. आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट दैट. मैं एक फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से आया, लॉ बैकग्राउंड से आया, आज मेरा प्रोफेशन बिल्कुल चेंज हो गया। मैं एक आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर हूँ। क्रॉस डोमेन से मैंने किया। आज इतने लोग हैं जो बीमारी के साथ मेरे पास आते हैं, चाहे वो डायबिटीज हो, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिसफंक्शन हो, या मल्टीपल डिसऑर्डर्स जैसे मस्कुलोस्केलेटल डिसऑर्डर्स हो, उनको बिना ऑपरेशन का, बिना दवाई का ठीक करने के लिए जो हमारे श्रेष्ठ ऋषिवर ने बताया, उस तहत मैं उनको ट्रीट करता हूं, केवल अपने हाथों से। कोई जादू नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कोई मेडिसिन नहीं, कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं। और कितने हजारों लोग हमारे हॉस्पिटल में आए, ठीक होके गए हैं। तो आज मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मेरे साथ उन्होंने जब बात किया तो मैंने बोला, नवीन जी का पाँव मैं बिल्कुल ठीक कर सकता हूँ, फिर से पुनः बिना लंगड़ाए अच्छा चल सकते हैं। तो मैं जरूर आपको मैं अपने हॉस्पिटल में आमंत्रित करता हूँ, और सतीश जी को भी, और सब लोगों को, और ये वीर माता सबको। और मैं ये भी कहता हूँ बच्चों, आप डिफेंस में जाइए। एनसीसी कैडेट ऐसे कैडेट है, मैं भारत स्काउट एंड गाइड्स में था, बहुत मैंने भी सेवा किया। उसके बाद मुझे एक अच्छे गुरु मिले, पुट्टपर्ती के साईं बाबा, जिन्होंने अपना जीवन अर्पण किया, चाहे वो वाटर प्रोजेक्ट हो, हेल्थ केयर हो, एजुकेशन हो। उन्होंने केवल मेरे से एक ही बात पूछी, तुम मेरे अच्छे शिष्य हो तो अच्छे काम करके दिखाओ। आज वो मौका मिला है, हम अच्छा सा एक आयुर्वेदा हॉस्पिटल खोले हैं, जहाँ पे निशुल्क जितने भी, मैं किसी को गरीब नहीं बोलूँगा, भगवान की कृपा सबके ऊपर है। भगवान का जिसके ऊपर हाथ है वो कभी भी गरीब नहीं होता है। तो ऐसे लोगों को हम पूरा सेवा करते हैं। और आज हमारी संस्था की ओर से इन वीर माताओं के लिए थोड़ा सा डायबिटिक जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं, जो खा नहीं पाते हैं, चाहे वो ग्लूटीन फ्री नहीं है, तो ऐसे पदार्थों को खा के और डायबिटीज बढ़ता है, हमारे पास पूरा गिल्ट फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हम आपको प्रदान करते हैं। और हम सब मरीजों को ये देते आते हैं ताकि उनका जीवन और ताकत रहे। इसी प्रकार हम डिफेंस के लिए भी हम जरूर देंगे, और फ्री में देंगे, ताकि हमारे जवान जहाँ पे भी हैं उन लोगों को ताकत मिले और अच्छे रहें। और जितने भी हमारे कैडेट्स हैं, इन सब बच्चों के लिए मैं वर्मोलॉजी फ्री में सिखाऊंगा, और जो भी बॉर्डर में हैं वो कैसे अपने आप को ताकतवर रखना है। कभी इंजरी हो गया तो उसमें से प्राण जा रहे हैं, तो प्राण को कैसे वापस लाना है, ये केवल हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने बोला है। एंड डेफिनेटली I promise all of you, all the NCC cadets as well as whomever in the border force, I am ready to help them and impart this knowledge at free of cost, so that they can retrieve and fight for our nation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let's give a huge round of applause again to the Veer Naris and officers, you all. Thank you to our distinguished guests and audience members. Please proceed to the weapon exhibition, blood donation and eye checkup. And our chief guest, please do join us for the lunch. We'll resume the informal program by 2:30.
Yamuna ma'am had said something, so मुझे लगता है मुझे थोड़ा सा उसका खुलासा करना चाहिए। मैडम ने कैप्टन मनोज कुमार पांडे परमवीर चक्र जी का नाम लिया, तो उन्होंने कहा कि what he said is, if death comes to me before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill death. He was my officer, he was with me in this battle, and ये जो उन्होंने कहा है, ये फौज ज्वाइन करने के बाद नहीं कहा, ये इनकी स्कूल की डायरी में लिखा है। When he was in school, imagine this boy when he was so young. You see his diary. I've got photographs of his diary here and his letters. ये इन्होंने स्कूल की शिक्षा है, दैट इज सैनिक स्कूल लखनऊ। मैं वहाँ गया, उनके प्रिंसिपल और उनके फैकल्टी से मिला। टेलिंग यू, आई वॉज inspired, they were so inspiring. तो उस एज से इस बच्चे को इन्होंने जो बनाया है कैप्टन मनोज कुमार पांडे को, he proved himself in Siachen Glacier and in Kargil, and thank you for bringing this up, because he said this not after joining army, he had said this when he was a very young child. Thank you.
Thank you all. Again, you can proceed for the weapon exhibition, blood donation and eye checkup. And chief guest, please do join us for the lunch. We'll resume the informal program by 2:30. Thank you all.